from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk back to
Voices from the kitchen. Listen, today we're doing enchiladas. This is your first time here. Like, subscribe, share, do all of those good things. Today, we're going to start off with our ground beef. It's not turkey. I'm not fooling you guys this time. This is ground beef. So what we're going to do is we're going to season it up real good, okay? Make sure that meat is seasoned really well because it's the star of the enchiladas, okay? Enchilada has a lot of cheese. A lot of people think that the cheese and the enchiladas is the star. It's not. It's the meat. So seasoning up, I put some garlic in mine. I got that seasoning, that taco seasoning with low sodium, okay? Right? Boom. Look how beautiful it is. Hey, beautiful. Look, you see the garlic in there just a little bit, but it's not overpowering. But that is seasoned as about as well as you're gonna get, okay? You gotta poke it, you gotta flip it, you gotta make sure that it's good, all right? Got us some good old thighs right here, but guess what? We gotta trim that fat. Gotta get that fat off of it, okay? We don't want that fat in there, all right? Some people like it. They like, oh, no, dude, put it. No, it doesn't. It's just fat, okay? We're not trying to do that. We're gonna get it out. We're gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna keep it moving, all right? Just that simple, just like that. Get all the fat off of there. Well, you know, some saw this fat didn't want to go. It's like, hey, little stubborn little suckers, all right? More taco seasoning. I know it's not tacos, it's enchiladas, but we got taco seasoning, okay? Season that bad boy up the best way you possibly can. And we're gonna flip it over, flip it, smack it, rub it down, get all the mix in the crannies, and there we are. All right, back into the pot. Little olive oil. We're gonna flip those bad boys, let them go. And here we go. This is the process, not the fun process. Corn tortillas, meat, cheese. You're gonna roll it, and you're gonna keep on doing this. You're gonna do it until the pan is full, just like that, okay? So use the one, and boom, watch how many more come. And I'm gonna do two more. Okay. And then what about now? No. Listen, okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. It's okay. But listen, you guys get the picture. And then, boom, there we go. Full pan. Whoa, little stubborn sucker. Ready. Nope. Stay. All right. Listen, you guys know what happens from here. We're going to throw some sauce on this bad boy. We're going to cover it with some more cheese. And I'll bring you the finished product. Just a simple, quick, easy. Recipe is down in the description. Cheese, red sauce, rice. Listen, that's it for me. Thanks for rocking with Nerdy's Umbrella. If you're still here, you're officially in the Hall of Fame with the real one. Stay nerdy, stay weird, and remember, the umbrella is big enough for all of us.